Hello students, I am Drashtisha. Today we will learn Chapter 4 Division, a topic of Grade 2 Math. In this chapter, we will learn the following topics: Introduction to Division, Sharing and Grouping Equally, Division within 20, Word Problems, and some exercise. So let's start. First topic: Introduction to Division. Look at the picture. The children are playing with toys. First we will count the number of toys. 3 are in their hand while 5 are lying on the floor. So total we have 8 toys all together. Now can you see 2 boxes over there? Now the question is, can we put the toys equally into 2 boxes? Okay, let's see. First I want you to say the table of 2 with me. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8. The 2 boxes here become the 2 groups for us, in which 4 equally toys will come inside. So what did we do? We divided these toys equally into 2 groups in the given 2 boxes, in which one box contains 4 toys and another box also contains 4 toys. Let's see some more examples. The another topic is sharing and grouping equally, among which first we will see the topic of sharing equally with some examples. The first example is, look at the toys. There are 6 toys: teddy bear, ball, spinner, a dinosaur, car and a robo. Now we have to divide this in equal parts. Let's see. As you can see in the picture, there are 3 kids. Now these 6 toys we need to share among these 3 kids. So first one toy is given to each child. Again, how many toys have been remaining? The dinosaur, car and the robo has been remaining with us. So again we will share that. The remaining toy have also been given one by one to each of the child. So now look at the picture. Each child has how many toys? 2 toys. Each child gets 2 toys. So the toys are shared equally among them. Second example. There are 12 cookies on a table. Now we have to share this equally into 4 plates. Let's see how we will do it. Let's place the cookies equally on 4 plates. Start by placing 1 cookie on each plate as shown you in the picture. Now again some cookies have been left. So again we'll start placing one by one in the given 4 plates. Place one more cookie on each plate. Now how many cookies can you see on the plate? 2. In the first picture just one cookie was there. In the next round the second cookie came. After that also still 4 cookies are been remaining. Now the remaining 4 cookies have been placed one by one on each of the plate. So now how many cookies can you see on each plate? Count them. 1, 2, 3. So we can say that each plate has 3 cookies. So the cookies have been shared equally among the 4 plates. Third example. How many cupcakes can you see? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 cupcakes. Now we are going to share these cupcakes. Let's see. Can we put them equally into 4 trays? Let's see. Start by putting 1 cupcake into each tray. Now as you can see in the picture, the first 4 cupcakes have been placed in the 4 trays. Still we have remaining 3 cupcakes. Now we'll place them. Try putting another cupcake into each tray. Can we put 3 cupcakes equally into 4 trays? Is it possible? Let's see the picture. In the first plate, there are 2 cupcakes. In the second one, there are 2. In the third one, there are 2. While the last one is just only 1 cupcake. The last tray has 1 fewer cupcake than the others. We cannot share 7 cupcakes equally in 4 trays. Now another topic is grouping equally. Akif has 10 eggs and he has 5 baskets. So how we will place the 10 eggs in 5 baskets? Do you know the table of 5? Say with me. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So we got our answer 10. So in each basket he'll place 2 eggs so that all the eggs have been placed in their respective baskets. Let's see some examples. Exercise 1A. Look at the picture. We have some cherries. The first question is, how many cherries are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have total 12 cherries. Second question. How many groups of cherries are there? Can you see some groups are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many cherries are there in each group? So in each group there are 1, 2 and 3 cherries. So do you know the table of 4? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 4 threes are 12. That means when we take 4 groups of 3 cherries, the total comes 12. Another example. How many eggs are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many plates are there? 1, 2 and 3. Now, how many eggs are there on each plate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 3 fives is equal to 15. So, when we take 3 groups of 5 eggs, our answer comes 15. Third example. How many flowers are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now these 12 flowers are divided into how many vases? 1, 2 and 3. So how many flowers are there in each vase? 1, 2, 3, 4. Another topic. Division within 20. Making division stories. Put 10 oranges equally into 5 bags. Now here we need to divide this 10 oranges into 5 bags. So first we will say the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. When did we get 10? When 5 was multiplied by 2, we get 10. That means in each bag 2 oranges will go, so that all the 10 oranges are divided equally into the given 5 bags as shown in the picture. Exercise 2. In the picture, pieces of cheese have been given. Let's count them. Pari has dash pieces of cheese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there are total 18 pieces of cheese. She puts them equally on dash plates. How many plates can you see? 1, 2 and 3. So there are 6 pieces of cheese on each plate. Last topic, word problems. Kate has 8 roses. She wants to put them equally into 2 vases. How many roses will there be in each vase? Let's see. As you can see in the picture, there are two vases. So this two vases becomes two groups for us. So in each group, how many roses we will place? So there are 8 roses. So we need to divide this 8 roses in 2 equal parts. So for that, we will say the table of 2 and we'll stop when the answer comes 8. Say it with me. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8. So 8 came when we multiplied 2 with 4. So in each group the 4 roses will go. So there will be 4 roses in each vase. Second example, Ishan has 15 pencils. He puts 3 pencils on each table. So how many tables are there? Now we need to count the number of tables. So here he is dividing this 15 pencils in 3 different groups. So here 3 becomes group for us. For that we will say the table of 3 till the answer 15 comes. So say it with me. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12 and 3 fives are 15. So when did we get 15? When 3 was multiplied with 5, we get 15. So how many tables there are? There are 5 tables. Thank you.